kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
I'm gonna prime my lids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as always. I honestly have not tried this look before, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna wing it. And as you can tell, I already did my brows off camera, which is the same routine as always. And then I'm gonna put some powder on it. My Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Most Loved and Mattes. I know it's a little dirty, but I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm just gonna put it on my lip, but focus most of it on my outer corner V. I'm gonna try to like smoke it out. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with this shade and just focus it on the outer corner V. As you guys can see, I'm kind of winging it out to make it look kind of foxy. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade with a really sharp angle brush and start my wing. And if you guys don't know, I absolutely love this kind of like wing look. I don't know, I just been really digging it, and I think it's so like nice and subtle, and I really like it compared to using a liquid liner. And then I'll go ahead and buff it out later. Right now I'm just using like a small like flat taper brush and just kind of like buffing everything out. Alright, now I'm gonna put on some mascara. Just gonna curl my lashes. I like to like roll them up like that, like I don't know if it makes sense. I like to do this just to kind of have it more curled. But I'm always really careful because sometimes I feel like I'm ripping like my eyelashes, and that's not good. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Roller Lash. Absolutely love this, although sometimes like it does kind of like show on my lower lash line. Alright, and then I'm gonna use some Ardell lashes. I don't remember what they're called because I threw out the packaging. And this is the glue that I was used for my lashes. It's the Duo, and it's in a red packaging, and it's the dark. So when it comes out dark. You can't probably see it, but yeah. Now for primer, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Prime. Been using this on a daily, just because I don't really go anywhere else. And as you guys know, I always do like a primer, and then I always do like a poreless primer as well on top of it, just because I have huge pores on this area. Alright, and now I'm just applying the Smashbox Pore Minimizer, which I absolutely love. I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Absolutely love this foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation. I absolutely love the coverage. It's lightweight and it's always my favorite go-to. So for concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Absolutely love this concealer. I've been using it all the time when I do my makeup, and it's pretty full coverage, I promise you that. I absolutely love this concealer, although I do feel like it does dry a little too quick. I do really like this concealer though. The coverage it has, it is good. Alright, after I get that done, I'm gonna go ahead and just brighten my under eye using my Lorac Pro Contour Palette. I'm looking for my brush. I always use this brush because it's just perfect, and I'm gonna dip into oops, sorry. I'm gonna dip into beige highlight. Just gonna brighten up my under eye, and I'm also kind of like patting it in just to powder up with the concealer. Alright, so then for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Hoola bronzer. Alright, using the same Hoola bronzer, I'm gonna use this kind of flat top. It's kind of tapered, but it's pretty, you know, flat as you can tell. And I'm just going to contour my nose. And I honestly don't contour my nose often, but I do here and there, as I said in one of my other videos, whenever I feel like it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Airspun translucent powder and just define that. I don't do it often, but today I'm feeling a little like, why not? I just want my bronzer to pop up a little more. Alright, and then for blush, it is the Tea Rose by Milani. Now I'm just gonna wipe all this powder away. I'm just gonna go back in and just bronze up my face a little bit more. And with the same brush that I used to contour my nose, I'm gonna go in with the bronzer and just kind of put it all over my lower lash line. Just because it's not like super harsh as like an eyeshadow, I almost forgot to highlight. I'm gonna go with the Anastasia collaboration with Emersy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I am looking for my brush. Just gonna put it on my cheekbones. Ooh, you see that? I'm not a big fan of highlighting my face just because I have this scar. You probably can't tell, but I had that scar when I was little. And then with the same setting powder by Maybelline, I'm gonna set my entire face. Alright, using the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 04, I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna go in with Morphe Single AF Matte Lipstick. Alright, so now my makeup is done. I'm gonna set my spray using the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Spray. Sorry, I'm a little blurred. Alright. And like I said, it smells like cucumber. Alright, this is the finished look for my Foxy eye look. I'm pretty sure it's basic, simple, something easy that you can create. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And also don't forget to check out my Instagram where I do post more on there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!